In this video, you will learn about adverbs of time. This topic is a part of adverbs. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happened and for how long it happened. Today, this week, and next month tells us the exact time when an action takes place. Let us look at a few examples of when an action happened. He went to buy vegetables this week. Or, the dog fell down yesterday. Or, I saw that movie last year. Soon, for a year, and later are a few examples of adverbs of time, which tell us how long it will take for an action to happen. For example, I will call you later. Or, she stayed in Delhi for a month. Or, my son has been going to this school since 2009. To emphasize on when the action happened or for how long the action happened, end the sentence with the adverb of time. By beginning the sentence with an adverb of time, the importance is placed on the action which happened and not on the time. For example, last year I went to London. By beginning the sentence with last year, we emphasize on the action of you going to London. By ending the sentence with last year, we emphasize on the time. Now you know what an adverb of time is and how its placement can add more information to a sentence.